Good afternoon. This is from Dr.B.VijayakumarI, HOD of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. The another topic, case study on nanomaterial and its process. It became under the new engineering material unit. So the introduction, already we discussed that the material is becoming minimized to the range of 1 to 100 nanometer. That's called a nanomaterial. So it minimized to the form of the size, the strength and reactivity, conductivity is all to be increased better from in a normal materials. So this is a picture to show in the clearly in a different shape and size of the nano ranges, and this is a carbon nanotubes and quantum dot polymetric nanoparticles, engineering nanoparticles. In a various field we have applied from this nanoparticles. So the process of two-dimensional material used in the laser ablation techniques to be prepared from this types of nanomaterials. Then we start a case study. So the analysis of carbon nanoparticles. The carbon nanomaterials such as fluorescence to be form of C18 is form of single-walled and multi-walled carbon nanotube. It presents unique chain for the detection and quantization to trace level in an aquatic environment. Sample purification and separation in sediment and tissues. After isolation of PAH and CNMS from solid environmental phases, sample purification is one often necessary to reduce the interference in subsequent instrumental analysis. For molecular pH, a range of standard methods including silica or alumina, chromatography and gel permission chromatography are available in these conditions. An effect of chemical transformation of CNMs, an important consideration in developing analytical method for detecting and qualifying CNMs in sediment and biota is modifying this material by chemical transformation. Such transformation may occur through biological mediated or chemical oxidation process. The highly sensitive NIRF spectroscopy method, it's outdated for detecting single-wall carbon nanotube. So nowadays the fluorescence quenching on chemical modification of the nanotubes, such as modification will render single-wall nanotubes nearly undetectable by NIRF spectroscopy. So the presently very few techniques are available for dealing with analytical challenges introduced by the chemical modification of CNMs. This is clearly an area in which further development will be required to the form of carbon materials. So based on single wall and multi-walled carbon nanomaterials in form of the spectroscopic investigations, we have analyzed and to the form of different cases to use in application oriented science. So the CNMS and the PAHs are both are in a different environmental phases to used in a single wall and multi-wall carbon nanotubes. So based on this, it will be improve the level of quantity in a carbon nanotubes usages. This is one of a case study to the form of analyze in a different types of carbon nanotubes is based on that carbon structure of C80, 86, 88 like that. So the effect of chemical transformation and the biological transformation is also to be done in to finding out single wall and multi wall usages in a different types of applications. So the single wall is a form of very thin and it's also highly purified. So we have used in only for the rare area to apply it of the case study. But multi wall is a form of different types of application oriented. So we have used in many of the case studies form in a multi walls for using in a different types of materials. So this all is a reference I am prepared from the PPT. Thank you very much. We discuss in another topic in another video. Thank you very much.